Okay, hello, welcome to Learning Gnomes, and today I'm going to show you how to install Python in your computer. So first click Google Chrome, then write Python, okay, and press enter. Okay, then select the first website, usually the pythonorg.org. Click that. Okay, then click the download tab. Okay, and you can download directly from here, but I prefer downloading it from Windows. Like I want to download the specific version, that is 64-bit web-based installer, and click, and then click check this button, add Python 3.7 to path. Okay, so click that. Okay, then customize installation, and check all the options. If something is missing, okay, if anything is unchecked, check all of them, then press next, and then select the install for all users. Okay, then press install, and then press yes. Okay, so basically we are installing Python in order to create an environment for the computer so that it can understand the Python language specifically, and it can work so that we can easily work with the language without any problem. So okay, it's installing. Well, the installation depends mainly on your computer speed. So okay, so it's installing. Once it's installed, we have to check like whether it has installed or not. Okay, so press close, and then come to this search button. Okay, press write cmd. Okay, cmd. Okay, now command prompt, right click, select the run as administrator and select yes. Okay, now over here write Python space minus version. Okay, that will give you the version of your Python, and you'll make sure that Python is properly installed in your computer. Those we will have we will suffer saying this text, there might appear an error, so I will make sure that I make a video on that to fix that. Okay, for now just write Python IDLE for those who have seen the message, like Python version. Okay, over here, okay, we need to print hello. Okay, it's just to check that our function is working properly. Okay, hello, and press enter. Yes, hello, so it's working. Okay, now close. It's better for small programs, but for large programs, big programs, we have to install another software, that is Python IDE, that is integrated development for Python. Okay, let's download another software, that is Pycharm, that is IDE for Python. Okay, Pycharm. Okay, press enter, and then select the jetbrains.com/Python Pycharm. Okay, select that, and over here press the download now. Okay, then just select the professional. Okay, it will download automatically. So yep, I'm not right now downloading because I have already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open that file from my computer, so that okay, right click. Once you have downloaded, you will reach this position and press next. Okay, next. Yep, but I'm installing it on C drive, my default location. You can change it by clicking the browse option and then press next. Okay, then select the 64-bit launcher, because I have an operating system of 64-bit, and those who have 32-bit, they can select that, and then select add open folder as project dot by, then add launchers to the direct to the path, then press next and install. All right, this the process is really fast. It's going fast, but I will make sure that I explain every bit of it later, so that you don't have any problem understanding any of this. For now, just follow this process. Okay, it's a bit, I know it's a bit lengthy and you might get lost in the way, but try to concentrate and pause your video. Okay, so once you have installed, select the reboot now, or you can manually reboot later, but I prefer reboot it now, so I will select reboot now. Okay, select and then press finish. Okay, yes. Okay, so those who have already rebooted successfully, okay, press the JetBrains. Okay, double click, and then it will give you an option to not import settings or to import settings. So this is already default selected, do not import setting. Okay, then you will have theme. I prefer this dark one. Those who prefer the light one, they can select this one. Okay, but I prefer the dark one, so okay, skip. And then for this one, evaluate for free, because I don't have the activate key. So those who have the activate key, they can activate it. Like, okay, then evaluate. Okay. Now for create new project, create a new project to work. Pure Python, select, and you can change this location, like click over here and you will have the option to change it, but for now I'm just keeping it original, so I'm just changing the file name random. Okay, then create. Okay, you can either keep this tips, or you can uncheck the button and close it. It will never appear again. Okay, then close. Okay, now we'll have to work somewhere, but see, there's nothing, but we have to create something. So right click on the project and select new, and then come to the Python file, and that will give you a option to write your project's name, then write your new project. Okay, you can write anything, you can give anything to your file's name. So over here you can code. Okay, so just to make sure that it works fine, print hello. Yes. Okay, to run it, click the right button on your mouse and select run new project, or you can press like Ctrl Shift F10, though, see, and that will give you the result on your console. Or for the next time, you can just press over here on the green button, and that's the end. So okay, see you on the next video. Till then, bye bye.